Action.
I had something similar to what Nate done. So I added a health bar in the bottom left. Oh, I forgot the audio.
No, leave it on, leave it on.
Leave it on, leave it on, leave it on. Leave it on.
Put your volumes.
What's the number 5 for?
Woo!
So I added a little wave thing at the top.
A wave, oh, okay.
How much enemies are left.
Okay.
A little bar showing.
So every time you kill one, it keeps going down, huh?
Yep. And I added a little hook on the bottom, and you automatically get some health back every 10 seconds. So then you won't die immediately, because I've added a lot of enemies.
Are you sure?
Cool.
All right.
Get that audio.
Okay, let's see.
And if it gets lower than 10 for the enemies, it'll start to flash.
Ah.
The same thing applies to the health.
What are the bullets?
The bullets are Oliver.
Why?
Because I want
Peach.
It's.
Oh man, jeez. Oh.
I think I need to reduce the size of the
He's
wave.
living for a long time.
Oh my god,
Are
you're dead.
All right, let's have Miss Jakes play it.
No, well, I have a question.
I know. Can you play it real quick?
Okay, but my grades aren't syncing.
I'm recording right now.
No.
Yeah, sometimes you do that one year, the other one you're working
Press
on.
P to play. And what do you move around with?
Space.
You should have had it so
Okay,
every time you
I'm
get
gonna
shot,
die
it just says, "Are you
immediately.
sure?"
Are you sure you
I
want to
think we had an iteration that's much worse.
Sure.
Hey, look at she's doing so good. Look
You
at
get
this.
points if they run into you, but you lose more health. In, you get points, but you get health and all that. I just started adding on stuff.
Pretty good.
From
Pretty good.
the last while that we did.
So
So if you get the bar gone, then that's when I move up to the next level on the top? Okay. Do you eventually run out of time? Is it based off of time too, or
I was.
infinite time right now?
Yeah. I was
You got him.
Ah! Well,
All right.
that's fun.
Anybody else want to play it?
I was trying to make a boss for
work.
another file, but
Oh, that was another file.
For
okay.
sure.
it was a little more than I
Had a
thought.
pretty interesting day.
Okay. Nice job. All right.